Getting hit with an anti-cheat failure during the FC26 update? Don't worry, you are in the right place. We have got quick, proven fixes to get you back in the game. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If FC26 is throwing anti-cheat errors your way, stick around. We will show you the easiest ways to solve it. Method 1. Reinstall the EA anti-cheat. When you are experiencing anti-cheat failure during update process while playing FC26, repair or reinstall anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC26, open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the select folder option. This will repair the EA anti-cheat. Next, click on the update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the install button to install the anti-cheat. After the installation finishes, start the game and check if the issue persists. Method 2. Enable secure boot. Type system information on the start menu and open the top option. Check the secure boot state and see if it is on. If it is on, then move to the next solution. If it is off, then you will have to open the BIOS and enable it. BIOS settings are different for every motherboard type. Here we have shown how to enable it on the BIOS we have. Now each PC has a different BIOS key. The general BIOS keys are F1, F2, F9, F10 or delete, but they will differ as per the motherboard. If you don't know the BIOS key, check the manufacturer's manual and keep it handy. Keep pressing the BIOS key to enter BIOS. You can also enter BIOS from Windows settings. Press Win+I to enter settings, then select System, then Recovery. Next, click on the Restart Now button beside the Advanced Startup option. From the Advanced option, select Troubleshoot. Next, select Advanced Options, then UEFI firmware settings, then Restart. This will help you to enter BIOS on the UEFI settings. Then select Boot, System Configuration or Security options. This will depend upon your BIOS settings. Now look for the Secure Boot option. Now here, you will have to select the Enable option. Boot into Windows 11 and press the Windows key. Enter System and select System Information from the options. From the System Summary tab, search for Secure Boot State. If you see it on, you have successfully enabled the Secure Boot. Method 3. Verify the game files. Here is how to verify the game files from Steam. Open the Steam library, right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on the installed files and select Verify Integrity of the game files. Wait for Steam to finish verifying and once done, play the game. Method 4. Run FC26 with administrative privileges. Next, you can run the game with administrative privileges. Sometimes the game file may require administrative privileges to run. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the application you are using to launch the game. Next, select Show More options. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Method 5. Clear EA desktop cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can cause these types of issues. Clearing EA desktop app cache can help you resolve the issue. Open the EA desktop app, select the 3 dashes in the far left corner of the EA app. Scroll to Help. Click App Recovery. Select Clear Cache. Additionally, if you are using mods or custom content, then they could be conflicting with the loading process. Try disabling them and see if the game loads normally. Method 6. Allow the game through the firewall. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. Method 7. Update your Windows OS. Windows updates can help resolve issues with game performance. Also, updating Windows to the latest versions ensure your computer runs with the latest security and performance enhancements. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 8. Close unnecessarily running programs. Sometimes streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause issues while playing games like FC26. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for FC26. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. Method 9. Reinstall FC26. If the method shown could not fix the issue, then reinstall FC26. To do so, press Windows plus I to open Settings, open Apps and then head to Install Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the game completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game to some other drive or SSD. Now launch the game and check. And that's it. Those are the top methods to fix anti-cheat failure during the FC26 update. If one of these worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Drop a comment below to share what worked. It might help someone else out too. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.